Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ayushman.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Anshuman. Good morning, Devansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Keep your cameras on. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Keep your cameras on.
morning,
Keep your cameras on. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Keep your cameras on, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Lakshya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pratyush.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Payal. Good morning, Utkarsh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Zainab is also there. Zainab, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Keep your cameras on, everyone.
Phone battery is low, so attending class from computer.
Huh?
Ma'am, phone's battery is low, so attending the class from computer.
Okay, that's good. Hey, Utkarsh, your voice has changed a lot, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. It is resembling your brother, actually. Whenever you speak, I feel as if, Abhay is talking. Okay. You all know what do I take?
Geography.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Geography.
Geography.
I'll take geography with you people. Fine. I hope you all have the books with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So cameras on, everyone. I think with the one of these sections, this is the first class of geography, I believe. Or with all the three sections, I had a class.
8th B.
With
Ma'am,
eighth,
You have done the class.
ma'am, with 8C, it is second class.
exactly. Eighth,
Ma'am,
C,
I think
huh?
in 8th B this is will.
Ma'am, it's 18th
Ma'am,
third
I
class.
think in 8th B this will be the first class.
Okay, in eighth week, this is the first class. Fine. So we'll start from the beginning. Okay. Whatever we have done for the other children, those who attended my previous classes, it will be a recapitulation session for them. And the
You
ones
have
who are
not
attending it for the
started chapter.
we started with resources, I believe, right?
No, ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, from resources, you are right.
Yes, chapter is resources only, first geography chapter. So we'll start from the
Ma'am, we have started our resources.
Good morning,
we
ma'am.
started. Good morning, Ranshir. We started, I know that, but because one of the section is attending for the first time, so let us have a short recapitulation of what we did in the previous classes, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Be ready with your rough notebooks or your fair notebooks, wherever you want to write. I am giving you a flow chart over here. You all need to draw that flow chart in your notebooks, right? In the
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta Marina.
Ma'am, we
Mandrina.
should take a Mandrina, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Tell beta.
Ma'am, we should take one side plain and one side ruled
Yeah.
notebook.
For geography, you need
Okay.
one side plain, one side rule notebook, which is called as intra-leaf notebook. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm? You need to cover your geography notebooks. Listen, please. I am writing the instructions regarding the notebook thing. First of all, you write that, and then we'll continue with the chapter. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am,
Write
we
down.
have to write points in
Notebook.
where notebook?
No. This is for your this thing, that how you need to make your geography notebook. Clear?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, but the first line you have written is.
Yes, beta. What did you say?
Ma'am, the frame is not coming the first line which you have written on board to
Screen
see.
is not clear.
I can see it.
No, I
Can you see?
can.
I can see.
Yes,
I
it is
we
can
can.
perfect.
see regarding notebook written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, now.
Perfect. I can see.
Regarding notebook.
Now is it clear, children?
The
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, when you go towards
Yes,
the
ma'am.
board, then your voice
Yes,
gets
ma'am.
faded.
Okay, I understand that. So I'll speak only when I am standing in front of the microphone, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to copy these.
Yes, write it in rough notebook.
Writing in fair.
Ma'am, can you write it in fair?
Ma'am, it is not visible. Can we write it fair copy?
And can we write in fair copies?
Why to spoil fair notebook unnecessarily, beta?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
I have no. That's what I was saying.
Write it in. You can
Ma'am,
write,
it is not visible.
write it in the book only on the first page of the resources chapter, right?
Ma'am, it is not visible.
It is
What
visible.
you are-
It is easily.
It is visible, I believe. Is it visible now? Your notebook has to be one side plain, one side ruled. We say it as intraleaf notebook. Second thing, you have to cover it with a blue colored sheet, right? Can you all
Yes,
see?
ma'am.
Can you all see Manya's screen?
Ma'am,
Can you all see Manya's screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You see the curtains over there?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
blue color, this blue color I want, okay?
Excuse
Okay,
me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, so
Ma'am, that A4 sheet.
Ma'am, first the blue color.
beta, Manya's screen, look at Manya's screen if you can. Can you
And
zoom,
where
beta,
will we
the
buy
color
it?
of the curtain?
Ma'am, he is
I
asking.
Huh?
Ma'am, he is asking after we put the blue cover, we can put transparent cover
Yes,
on
yes,
that.
yes, yes, you can, you have to. You have to, after the colored sheet is covered, then you need
Okay,
to
ma'am.
cover it with transparent sheet, okay? Am I clear with the
Ma'am,
color?
what if we don't have the colored sheet?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
No, you can easily get beta. They are easily available in the market. Now to everybody uses colored sheets only.
Ma'am, I can't get it in the market. I'm not in Bareilly. I'm in Binagudi.
You are in?
Ma'am, I'm in Binagudi, Bengal. Ma'am, market is far away from here.
Or beta, it is okay, no issues.
He's in West Bengal.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So how
I'm in
is
West
it?
Bengal.
He studies in SRR Rabindranath Tagore one school.
No, ma'am. I'm studying in SR International School. I just come here for holidays.
Okay, you have come here for holidays only, Ranshir, fine. So you can purchase from here, no, and go there. Where is the problem?
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
he
I'll
can
try.
bring it online.
Huh,
Bought it online.
huh. Fine, beta. Okay, then the next thing that you have to do is Then the third thing that you have to do is you have to mark all these states on the political map, outline political map of India, and you need to color different colors on different states, right? Clear?
Ma'am. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Write the names of the states within the area that is given for a specific state. Is it clear?
Ma'am, this
Yes,
year our
ma'am.
Yes,
teachers
ma'am.
changed.
Yes, Yashraj?
I was saying that this year our many teachers changed.
It is good, no, to have new experiences with new teachers, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
fine,
Yes, ma'am.
fine.
Till now we had not meet our class teacher.
Who is your class teacher?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is your class
We
teacher?
don't know.
Gun.
Eighth
I'm
C,
Shagun sir.
8C you're talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
8C, your
Ma'am,
class,
this year we have a
class
favorite
teacher.
class teacher.
He has still not come.
8th. Ma'am, 8th B.
8th
Ma'am,
B,
who is our class
Palak
teacher?
ma'am is the class teacher, beta. 8th B, Palak ma'am is the class teacher.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. My class teacher is Palak ma'am. No, ma'am, in 8th A. Ma'am, in
8th A
8th
is
A.
Palak ma'am, 8th B is Smriti ma'am, and C
Ma'am, in
section
8th A, Palak ma'am is the class teacher.
and
Ma'am,
B is
why we get new teacher?
and
Ma'am,
C.
do you know the name
I
of
do.
our class
Also,
teacher?
I know. Huh?
8C.
8C is
Ma'am, do you
Shagun.
know our
No, I don't know him.
Shagun
I
sir?
don't know him. He's a new appointee in the school, right?
Ma'am, why we get new teacher when the other two sections get old teachers?
So it is good not to have new teachers.
We are
See
special
new
ones.
class,
Yes,
see
ma'am.
new class, new teachers, right?
Ma'am, can you get a bit side? I am
Yeah,
not
yeah.
able to see the board.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the fourth point. Fourth point, you need to mark all the union territories. I hope the fourth point is
Ma'am, we
clear.
have to follow these.
Fourth point is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I was saying that
Ma'am, please read the third point.
Yes, Beta, what are you saying?
Please read the third point.
Third point is mark all the states on the outline map of India. All the states. How many states are there? Let me ask you. How many states are there?
ma'am 29.
Ma'am,
28.
Ma'am, 28.
Okay, raise
28.
listen,
28.
listen.
28.
Raise your hands, those who say 28 states. Raise your hands, those who say 28 states. Okay. Fine.
Ma'am, previous there was 29
How
states.
many of you say 29 states? Remaining say 29 states, right? So marks will be
Ma'am, 29.
marks to be given to the state 28 states.
I'm 28.
We have 28 states.
Ma'am,
Not
ma'am,
29.
we have 29 states.
No, we have 28.
Ma'am,
Telangana,
Ma'am, 28
now we
states
have
and 8
28
union
states.
territories.
one by
we have
one. Listen.
Ma'am,
We
29
have,
state and 7 union territories.
no, we have 28 states and we have 9 union territories, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Telangana was the 29th state when it was formed, right? But after dissolving
Yes, ma'am.
Jammu and Kashmir as a state, Article 370 has been removed from there. So now we don't have Jammu Kashmir as a state. We have Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, two separate union territories, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Eight class? So that way we have 28 states and 9 union territories. And you know, one more thing. Delhi is a union territory.
Yes.
But
Yes, ma'am.
but because it is a
Yes, ma'am.
but because it is a capital state, it is a capital. of the country. So it has been given the status of a capital state, right?
Yes,
Tarini knows this? Tarini knows this?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. How many of you were aware of that Delhi has been given the status of state? Raise your hands. Those who
I was not.
okay.
Ma'am, I.
We need to be true to ourselves. No, we cannot. We should not lie.
Ma'am,
Very
you told that day.
Ma'am,
I
you
was
told
not knowing.
that
First
day.
class.
Very good. Acha, in the first class, I told you people. That's really very good that you remembered
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Okay, fine. I hope the third and the fourth points are clear to all of you. Two
Yes,
separate
ma'am.
maps.
Yes, ma'am.
Two separate maps. हाँ, color them. Write the names. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the third and fourth point, we have to mark the states and union territories. Then we have to stick that political map on our notebooks.
In the fair notebook and on the plain side. On the plain side, you need to paste it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You need to do them
Ma'am.
on two separate maps. Don't mix it. Two separate maps. One for states and one for union territories, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Ma'am, we cannot make them mixed.
Okay.
Ma'am, as it will be very hard.
Exactly.
Ma'am, I cannot see
It
the
will be
board.
difficult for you to understand as well. No, so do it on separate maps, right? And that
Ma'am,
way you will
excuse
be
me.
able to. Yes, yes, Raj.
Ma'am, I was saying that can you read out third and fourth point?
Third point is mark all the states on the outline map of India. Fourth is the union territories on the outline political map.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And see, you need to keep practicing the location of these states. I will take random test map anytime. Okay? Okay? Map test can be any
Okay,
time.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
You need to keep on practicing these states and union territories. And I may ask you the capitals as well. So you need to be well versed with the location of these states, with the capitals of the states, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. All these 4 points clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Then let us start with the flowchart of the first chapter, right? If you want to do it in the fair notebook, you can do it on the fair notebook as well. Flowchart you will be making on the plain side of the notebook, not on the ruled side. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I rub it?
Yes, ma'am. You can rub it.
Yes, ma'am.
जल्दी करो.
बेटा ये ट्यूलिप भी फूल है जिसके
Ma'am, can you lift the camera, please?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you lift the cam?
This is okay.
Lift.
Ma'am, this much is
Yes, ma'am. Now it's clear.
Ma'am, the name chapter is resources.
What is the chapter name?
we have to write flowchart.
Flowchart. Beta, anything? Somebody was saying something? Yes.
No, ma'am.
We have to make the flowchart.
You have to make the flowchart on the plain side of the fair notebook if you have. If you don't have,
Ma'am,
no
excuse
use.
me.
Yes, beta Yashraj.
Ma'am means blank
And
page.
I was saying we are going to make it right now.
Yes, right now, here only.
Okay.
Ma'am on the blank page.
On the blank page. On the plain side, not the blank page. Blank page is of the ruled side also, no? So on the plain side of the page, notebook.
Ma'am,
Okay,
where
ma'am.
we write things.
No.
The diagram page on which we draw diagrams.
I hope the board is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Read the third one.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Ma'am, what is it written after the human made?
After human human made resources. Human, then human made resources. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, and in middle what it is written?
Human only, human. Human, human.
And then what is the difference between human and human made one? What does human consist?
Beta human, when we talk of human, we are talking of the human beings, right? The quality of the humans. And when we talk of human made, we are talking about the structures, buildings that are made by the human beings using all the natural resources that are available, right?
Okay, ma'am.
okay.
Fine.
Nice.
यही वाली. यही वाली.
Utkarsh, please
Utkarsh,
mute
mute
yourself.
yourself. Ma'am, why did you rub it? I did it.
Yes, ma'am, I also.
I also did it.
I also.
I'm doing it again.
This much you have drawn?
Ma'am, what?
This much you people have drawn?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Drawn this much.
Yes, ma'am.
And I have
Yes,
drawn the
ma'am.
line also.
Now, natural resources on the basis of natural resources, they are classified on various bases, right? So the first basis on the basis of origin. On the basis of origin, they are categorized into biotic and abiotic.
Biotic and antibiotic.
there is no space on the left of natural.
Ma'am, I cannot see the left.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see?
There is no space on the left of natural.
Ma'am, is that on the basis of readability?
Okay, what we can do is let me write it again. Let me write it again, children.
Ma'am, first we can draw on, then we can draw on fair.
Ma'am, that's why I'm
Ma'am, you can do is you can write them all in a paper, then click a photo and send on a.
Pardon, beta. What did you say?
Ma'am, you should write and click a photo and share it on the group.
No, we are doing it in the class itself, beta. Side by side, your work will also be complete, no? Why to linger on the work unnecessarily? Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, but the way you write that time, I have done that.
It is okay now.
Ma'am, we can wait for a minute. You can make and then we will copy it.
No, now I will not erase. Fine? On the basis of origin, we classify in biotic,
And non-biotic.
right? Then, on the basis of renewability,
And what you have written?
biotic, abiotic. Then on the basis of renewability.
And please tell the spelling of renewability.
Beta, you have your book with you? Geography book?
Yes, ma'am.
You can open page number 135.
I found it.
Ma'am, I found renewable, but not renewability.
Yes, Raj.
Start ability in front of that.
Huh?
Yeah, I will do that, but I was
Right,
telling you.
Yes, carry on.
renewability.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Ma'am, me.
Now it's okay.
Yep. Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, what is the last one?
Last one is on the basis of stage of development. Potential.
No, ma'am, the last.
Potential and actual.
Potential and actual.
Okay.
Listen.
Ma'am, I have done.
Beta, only one last is left. So shall I rub the first one? You can copy it from there and write it below that stage of development.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, what is the last one? On the basis of?
Distribution.
Ma'am, what have you written after distribution?
Ubiquitous and localized. UBIQU. UBI, QUI, TOUS, and localized, LOCALISED. That's all.
Ma'am, please tell what was the second one.
Second one is the basis of renewability.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good.
I'm
Ma'am,
done
this
with
is the
nature.
last one. The top one is the last one.
Yes. The top one.
Ma'am, can we off the paragraph?
Now coming to the
Off.
human resources.
Ma'am,
Yes.
after distribution.
Distribution done now. After that, coming to the human resource. Quantity.
I'm asking the word distribution.
It is ubiquitous and localized. And human resources categorized on quantity and quality. Okay? Quantity, quality.
Ma'am, just this much. This much.
Only these two. Then we will come to human made resources.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm done.
Okay.
And please shift the position of the camera to human made resources.
Shifting, beta, shifting. Clear now?
Yes.
Structures and institutions come under the human made resources, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, human resources is this.
Please be
Ma'am,
what is the
this is
structure?
only structure of institution.
only structures and institutions you have under the human made resources, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
I'm done.
Done?
What is written after structure?
I'm
I'm done.
done.
What is written after?
Structures.
It is structures and institutions.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm done.
Ma'am,
done.
Done, ma'am.
I'm done. Ma'am, done.
Done.
One of you can take the screen.
Ma'am, please give us time. Ma'am, please give us time.
Beta, one of you can take the screenshot and share it on the group, okay? Of all the three sections. One of you, one from each section will take a screenshot and share it on the class group, right?
Ma'am, may I do it?
Ma'am, only this much is there.
I'm sent.
I'm done with the flow chart.
Ma'am, I am all.
Ma'am, done the flow chart.
Done the flow chart? Very good. Now see what you have in the flow chart. Exactly.
Ma'am, done.
Listen. Have you taken the screenshots?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Now
I'm done.
we have in the flow chart detailing of this only we are going to read in this chapter. Right, children?
Okay, ma'am. We have to read the details of this in chapter.
Yes, we are going. I will explain to you line by line, one by one, everything that we have in the chapter. So generally we have these flow charts to have a short recapitulation of what exactly we are going to do in the chapter. Right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Listen, we are left with just 4 minutes, so I'm not starting anything again. We'll be doing explanation of the chapter. I'll be doing in the next class. Right, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
Your homework for today you have noted down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have noted down?
Note.
Ma'am, what's the
Yes,
homework?
ma'am.
Please tell again.
We have to mark the out. We have to outline the.
The rules regarding the notebook, we have to complete that all, cover our notebook and marking the states on map.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
state and
states and
continent.
union
One very
territories
important
on
thing. Listen,
the
listen,
political
listen,
map.
listen. Shall I?
Yes, ma'am.
One very important thing I forgot to tell you. You have margins on the, see in your notebook. Suppose this is your notebook. You have margins on the left hand side of the notebook, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what
ma'am.
you need to draw a one finger gap margin
We have to make a on right side.
of the notebook, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Every page.
On every ruled page, not on the blank page, but only on the ruled page. Got it?
Ma'am, please tell again.
You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
you have to draw one finger gap margin on the right hand side of the page of your notebook, right? Because children, they have
Okay,
a
ma'am.
habit of,
Okay, ma'am.
they have a habit of writing in the end, and sometimes the words are not clear, so you lose on your marks. So this is just to give you a practice that you need to limit your writing up to a certain margin, right? Right?
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Any other doubt you people have?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All clear?
No, ma'am.
All
No.
clear now?
All clear.
Yes, ma'am.
That's really
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, speak up.
Ma'am, margin like this.
It's not clear. Yes, margin like this. Very good, Mandrina. Very good. This way only.
Can you please tell again how to draw the margin?
Class 9. हाँ जी बेटा, मार्जिन कैसे ड्रॉ करना है?
Thank you, ma'am.
यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी यू हैव अ मार्जिन and here one finger gap and a margin. Use scale for drawing the margins. Okay, do not do it randomly. Right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I've already made margins in most of the page.
Very good. This is really a good practice.
So, ma'am, as a homework, even we can
You
also
have-
do margins.
Fine. Your homework is you need to write all the new terms that are given in the book for chapter 1. All the new
Okay,
terms
ma'am.
for
In
chapter
clear
1
copy.
as your homework.
Ma'am, key terms.
New terms, the key terms or the new terms, whatever is given in the book.
Ma'am,
Is written key terms, yes.
Ma'am, key term.
We call them glossary also. We call them.
ma'am, this is creating.
This is.
Ma'am,
To say
this
we
is
have to write
creating
the
a lot
summary.
of confusion. So can you post a message on the group?
Where is the confusion? Tell me. You need to do the key terms
We-
of